Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell about how to program a universal remote for Sharp TV. Now that we have the preliminary information, let's go the programming your universal remote using the Sharp TV remote codes. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. Here I am going to tell about two methods, that is called with remote and without remote codes. How to program I will tell. For this, first step is power up your Sharp TV by connecting its a power cord functional wall socket. Now depending on the type of remote, you will have to press the different button on the start the setup. For the example, the button on a Philips or a GE remote is labeled setup. Press and hold the button, it lights up. Since we are programming this universal remote for your Sharp TV, press the TV button. Now pick a code corresponding to your remote and enter it using the number keys. Once you have entered the code, the light and TV might turn off. Don't panic as this is normal. Now press the power button on the remote to see if your TV turns on. If it does, the code is accepted and the remote is programmed successfully. If it doesn't, you will have to repeat this process with a different code from the table. I am going to tell about second method, that is called how to program universal remote for Sharp TV without codes. For this, on your universal remote you will see a setup or program or magic button. You have to press it and trigger the programming mode. Press and hold this button until you see a light on the remote. Then you have to press the TV button as we are programming the remote for your Sharp TV. Aim the universal remote at your Sharp TV and press the power button. Your TV and remote are testing codes and finding suitable ones. Once the right code is found, the TV will be turned off. If the Sharp TV does not turn off, press the power button again. Keep doing this until the TV turns off. Next, power on your Sharp TV manually, then aim your remote at it, press the volume plus button. The TV will then go through the previous set of codes. If the Sharp TV turns off, press the TV button to lock the code. However, if the Sharp TV does not turn off, press the volume plus button and keep pressing it every 3 seconds until the TV turns off. Now power your TV and press a few buttons to see if the remote is working fine. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful, is really helpful. Please share this video, like this video and comment below. Thank you.